Welcome to the tutorial on how to get repair test reports. After logging into your customer portal, click on the Jobs tab in the upper toolbar. Second, click on the job number for the equipment you want to see in the test report. This will bring you to a listing of the different various reports you can ask for, such as this test report shown with the arrow, or above that you can check your own PO, or above that there's a vibration report available for this piece of equipment. All of this is available through your customer portal. And here's what one of your test reports look like. They're available to you 24/7. To get your repair test reports, go to reed-electric.com. Thanks for watching.